Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use your MetaMask recovery phrase. Your recovery phrase, also known as a seed phrase, is a crucial 12-word sequence. It's the master key to your entire MetaMask wallet, giving you complete control over all your cryptocurrency and NFTs. Think of it as the ultimate backup. Keeping it safe and private is paramount, as anyone with this phrase can access your funds. You'll typically use your recovery phrase when you need to restore your MetaMask wallet. This could be on a brand new computer or mobile device, or if you've accidentally uninstalled the MetaMask extension or app. It's also useful if you wish to import your existing wallet into a different, compatible cryptocurrency wallet. Essentially, it's your lifeline for regaining access to your digital funds. To restore your wallet, first open the MetaMask application or browser extension. Look for the Import Wallet or Restore Wallet option. You'll then be prompted to enter your 12-word recovery phrase. It's vital to type each word correctly in the exact order. After entering the phrase, you'll create a new, strong password for your restored wallet and confirm it. This secures your re-accessed funds. Protecting your recovery phrase is the most critical step. Never, under any circumstances, share it with anyone, even if they claim to be MetaMask support. The safest method is to write it down on paper and store it in a secure, private location, like a safe. Avoid keeping digital copies on your computer or phone, as these are vulnerable to hacks. Physical security is key for your digital wealth.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.